A cosmic time bomb. The future is always uncertain, and the vast inhabited cosmos contains mysteries that confound. Among these mysteries, one star stands out for its imminent fate, a fate that promises to change our night sky and possibly affect life on Earth. This star is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion. Scientists have been keeping a close eye on this celestial giant, and the latest revelations about this impending supernova have sent ripples through the astronomical community. The idea that Betelgeuse is ending is not just a matter of academic interest, but a story that can appeal to anyone who looks at the stars and wonders about the forces of the universe. Betelgeuse is a star unmatched by any other. Its sheer size, approximately 640 times the radius of our Sun, and its position as one of the brightest stars in the night sky have made it a focal point for astronomers and astronomers alike. But what really sets Betelgeuse apart is the dramatic transformation it undergoes. As the star runs out of fuel, it expands, cools, and expands to the point where, if placed in the center of our solar system, it would absorb the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. This expansion is a prelude to its final destruction, a supernova explosion that could happen at any moment. Betelgeuse's potential supernova is on scientists' minds. The exact time of this cataclysmic event is uncertain. It could be tomorrow, next month, or even in a few years. But one thing is certain: the end of Betelgeuse is near. The death of a star is not a quiet dimming, but a big explosion that briefly affects entire galaxies. The effects of this explosion are visible from the ground, creating shadows at night and perhaps even during the day. It would be an astronomical event of unprecedented magnitude that would change our understanding of the night sky forever. Betelgeuse has long been a fascinating subject. Ancient astronomers such as the Alexandrian mathematician and astronomer Ptolemy described it as a reddish star that was spotted by many cultures throughout history. For example, the Aborigines of South Australia have shared oral traditions about the brightness fluctuations of Betelgeuse for more than 1,000 years. Modern advances in astronomy have provided a more detailed picture of Betelgeuse, revealing it to be a red supergiant, one of the largest and most massive star types in the universe. These stars, with a diameter of 100 million to a billion kilometers, are the real wonders of the Milky Way. The life of a red supergiant like Betelgeuse is a story of rapid evolution and imminent destruction. Unlike our Sun, which will eventually become a red giant, Betelgeuse's fate is tied to its enormous size. Stars with a mass more than 10 times that of the Sun end their lives as red supergiants, rapidly exhausting their fuel and collapsing under their own gravity. This collapse is followed by a regression explosion, a supernova that can briefly outgrow entire galaxies. Betelgeuse's brightness is a key factor in an approaching supernova. It is the 10th brightest star in the night sky and the second in the Orion constellation. However, its brightness is not constant. As a pulsating variable star, Betelgeuse undergoes periods of expansion and contraction, causing its brightness to fluctuate. This variability has puzzled astronomers trying to understand the complex dynamics of this massive star. Despite its brightness and size, Betelgeuse's exact properties have been difficult to determine. Its pulsating nature means that its diameter changes over time, and the star has no definable edges. The surrounding veil of matter ejected from the star further complicates the measurement. However, scientists have managed to make estimates that reveal a star 10 to 20 times the size of our Sun and about 600 light-years from Earth. The approaching supernova of Betelgeuse is very interesting. A supernova is a powerful and luminous explosion that occurs in the final stages of the evolution of a massive star, or when a white dwarf undergoes runaway nuclear fusion. In the case of Betelgeuse, that explosion leaves behind a neutron star or black hole, or is completely destroyed to form a diffuse nebula. If Betelgeuse exploded today, its optical peak brightness would rival that of the entire galaxy before gradually diminishing over weeks or months. This event would not only be a spectacular sight, but also an important scientific opportunity. Supernovae play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. They distribute elements such as carbon, oxygen, and iron through space, which are essential for the formation and life of the planets. A Betelgeuse supernova would be a transformative event that would affect the surrounding interstellar medium and eventually trigger the formation of new stars. The explosion would also create shock waves that could affect the dynamics of the Milky Way. The visibility of a Betelgeuse supernova from Earth depends on several factors, including its distance and the amount of interstellar dust. Given its proximity to about 642 light-years, the supernova should be bright enough to be visible to the naked eye, perhaps even during the day. This would make it one of Earth's most important modern astronomical events. Advanced telescopes and observatories equipped with sensitive detectors monitor the explosion and provide valuable information about the physics of supernovae and the formation of neutron stars or black holes. The cultural significance of Betelgeuse is also important. Throughout history, this star has inspired awe and wonder. Its distinctive reddish hue and prominent location in the constellation Orion have made it a focal point for stargazers and storytellers alike. In recent decades, advances in observational astronomy have allowed astronomers to study Betelgeuse in unprecedented detail, revealing intricate details of its structure, variability, and evolutionary history. Betelgeuse's supernova represents not only the end of a star's life, but also a transformative event with far-reaching consequences for our understanding of the cosmos. Astronomers observe the behavior of the star with great interest while waiting for this important event. Each new observation adds to our understanding of this cosmic giant and prepares us for the extraordinary display that lies ahead. Finally, Betelgeuse is a testament to the complexity and wonder of the universe. Its imminent supernova represents a transformative event in both astronomical and cultural contexts, reshaping our understanding of stellar evolution and our place in the universe. As we look to the future, the Betelgeuse supernova promises to illuminate the mysteries of the cosmos and inspire future generations with a unique cosmic fireworks display. The anticipation surrounding the Betelgeuse supernova not only fascinated the scientific community, but also the public. The thought that we could witness such a rare and powerful event in our lifetime evokes a mixture of excitement and curiosity. For many, the Betelgeuse explosion is a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle, an opportunity to observe the process that shapes the universe on the grandest scale. This event is a poignant reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos, where stars are born, evolve, and ultimately meet their glorious end. Scientific preparations for the Betelgeuse supernova are extensive. Astronomers worldwide are coordinating their efforts to ensure that all possible instruments are ready to record the event in full detail. A wide range of technologies are used to study the explosion, from ground-based observatories to space telescopes. These observations provide critical information about supernova mechanisms, the formation of neutron stars and black holes, and the distribution of heavy elements in the universe. Such information is invaluable, providing insights that can refine our models of stellar evolution and cosmic chemistry. In a broader context, the Betelgeuse supernova also acts as a catalyst for public interest in astronomy and science. Such events have the power to inspire a new generation of researchers, encouraging curiosity and a desire to explore the unknown. The widespread visibility of the supernova is likely to lead to increased interest in stargazing and astronomy, bringing people together under the night sky to witness the cosmic phenomenon.
It emphasizes the importance of research and the need to continue investing in space research and technology. As we await the inevitable, the story of Betelgeuse is a poignant reminder of the cycles of creation and destruction that govern the universe. This star, once a beacon of stability, is now on the brink of a cataclysmic metamorphosis that reverberates through space. Its supernova marks the end of one journey and the beginning of another, as the elements forged in its core spread out into space, seeding the stars and planets of the future. In this way, the legacy of Betelgeuse is preserved, a testament to the complex and interconnected nature of the universe. The idea that a star's life ends in glory has long fascinated mankind. Betelgeuse, its approaching supernova, brings this concept into sharp relief. As a red supergiant, it underwent rapid evolution, and its core processes led it to its explosive finale. This star, once a constant presence in our night sky, is on the verge of dramatic changes that can be seen widely. The upcoming explosion of Betelgeuse is not only a visual spectacle, but also an important scientific event, providing insights into the life cycle of stars and the mechanics of supernovae. The history of Betelgeuse is not only scientifically interesting, but also culturally important. Throughout history, this star has been a source of wonder and inspiration.